it's me, Rox. I'm just going to talk through the beginning of this video, and I just want to talk about Vanillin Discolouration. I'm just getting on with making the soap the way that I normally make my oat milk soap. I'm just going to talk about vanillin. Vanillin is going to make your soap go brown, whichever way you look at it. Yes, you can buy vanillin stabilisers, but I've never used them, and I've heard that even then, if you use a vanillin stabiliser, it kind of wears off over time, so your soap ends up going brown anyways. It just takes a little bit longer. I've looked at the reason why, and it seems to have something to do with the pH and oxidisation. This soap here, I've used this fragrance oil before. It's chocolate and vanilla, and yeah, it does make my soap go brown, but this seemed browner than usual. Now, when I made this soap, it was a pretty warm day, and the soap did crack as it was saponifying, so I've got a little notion that maybe the heat has got something to do with it going browner than it would usually. And I think next time when I make this soap, I'm going to try putting it in the fridge to saponify and see if that makes any difference. So I know I'm going to have a brown soap here, which is fine because it's a chocolate fragrance, so it goes with that. I've tried putting some white titanium dioxide in the lighter part, but as you will see, it's not made a massive amount of difference. It's still really brown, but it's a chocolate fragrance, so the brown's okay. But brown soap, this is my opinion, I don't think it's very appealing. So what I want to do here is just sparkle it up a little bit, jazz it up a little bit, make it a little bit more appealing. So what I'm going to do is I'm texturing the top of this soap, and then I'm going to sprinkle the top with some mica. I'm texturing it so that when the mica's on there, the light will kind of reflect off of it, and you know, the mica will just look a bit nicer. So I'm just going to leave you with the rest of the video, which is all sped up, and I'll see you later.